Elevate your career as an IT professional in cutting-edge technology roles. AZURE ML/Gen AI roles. Our specialized one-on-one coaching program spans 4 months, designed to equip you with the skills needed for the latest roles in the tech industry on Azure machine learning and generative AI. In this 4 months duration, we'll be rebuilding the profile with many job tasks done. Month 1, dive into live tasks focused on cloud and DevOps, utilizing automation tools like Terraform, Python, and ARM templates. To explore examples of these tasks, visit bskumarcoaching.com. Month 2, gain comprehensive insights into the machine learning domain, drawing knowledge from various industries. Learn more about the sessions on bskumarcoaching.com. Month 3, engage with Azure Machine Learning Services to create live tasks, preparing you to advance into roles like ML engineering and AI architect and MLOPS. Check out the bskumarcoaching.com. Month 4, focus on planning the applications developed in Month 3 into Azure Generative AI Services, emphasizing organizational cost savings. You'll also develop LLM-based products to enhance your profile as both a generative AI consultant and an LLM expert. Sample materials include bskumarcoaching.com Understanding Job Roles. Throughout each month, you will also gain clarity on job activities to prepare for upcoming interviews, supported by our mock interview sessions. A sample of these sessions is available at bskumarcoaching.com. A tentative roadmap is given here. It slightly varies from profile to profile. An initial counseling call is mandated to design a roadmap for you. Please book a call by direct message to Shani Kumar V today to scale up faster in IT.